everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to show you guys how you can get unlimited messages on Crush on AI. So, first off, to do this, you need to make sure that you have Crush on AI on your browser or your computer or phone. It's not really matters. You can also get the application of Crush on AI. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you this on Crush on AI website from my phone. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Chrome, and here you can see I've already opened up Crush on AI for you, this website. So if you go to the home screen, this is how it looks like. Here you can see it says get $59.8 of deluxe membership free. I'm tapping here. Okay, turn the volume up and listen in. Unlimited customers can hook on into the Amazon Music listening party. So it seems like that this is for you. If you want unlimited messages, you can simply just pay for it. Okay, it is $59.8. Okay, other than this, if you tap over here at the top left corner of the screen and tap on bonus, once you tap on bonus, you can see over here there's a bunch of different options over here. So the first one is reward for daily check-ins. If you daily check in, you'd get 50 every day you check into Crush on AI. Other than that, there are daily conversation. If you can save with any character, you get 10. If you view daily memories, you can get 10. There are special tasks. First character, 50 for that. Invite friends and you get 100. And if you enter an invitation code, which you'd get on Twitter, you can get 100 again. Okay. And other than that, there are hidden content. You can get more of these from here as well. If you go top and go complete, you can find more Crush on coins. So all of it depends on how much Crush on coins you have, and you can always make more Crush on coins. And alternatively, if you're willing to pay, you can get their unlimited messages for just $59.8. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. If it was helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and helpful content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.